How to add poll on your Instagram post. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. If you want to add poll on your Instagram post, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open your Instagram app. Now let me create a post to add poll. So to create a post, tap on this plus icon located on bottom middle of your screen. Now select the photo or video that you want to upload on your post. So here let me select this one. After selecting, tap on next icon located on top right hand side of your screen. Again tap on next. Now edit your post accordingly, add caption, hashtag and everything that you want. And then to add a poll, what you need to do is, right below the caption you will find this option poll, so tap on it. And then you will see this page add poll, so here type any question that you want to ask. To do this, tap on this option ask a question and then type whatever question you want to ask. Likewise, you can also edit those options, like if you tap on yes and no, you can edit those options. And if you want to add more options, then simply tap on add another option. So after you finalize everything, tap on this tick mark icon located on top right hand side of your screen. You must remember that you can't edit anything of the poll after you post the post. So make sure you double check everything. So after finalizing everything, tap on this share icon located on bottom right hand side of your screen. This is how you add poll on your Instagram post. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.